Krish, I tell everyone. I tell my sister.
No, Christian. Don't tell anyone.
Why? You become famous. You get reward.
Here, Christian. You become Christian. Get the money. For your sister. Make her legs good again.